FESPA UK are one of 37 worldwide associations that fall under the FESPA Limited banner. Our job is to provide services to our members and also help our members network, improve and really grow within the print and signage community. FESPA UK run a next generation initiative. So that's kind of one of the main projects that I've been working on whilst at FESPA UK. The idea behind that project is to really give 18 to 30-year-olds in print and signage more opportunities that maybe line managers or CEOs, MDs would have. So that includes things like networking, maybe events to learn and really kind of grow their skill set. But also to encourage people in that age bracket to come into the industry, maybe from outside. Myself and various members of the Next Generation Committee will be on the panel at the print show. We're going to be discussing, how we can bring more 18 to 30s into the print industry and what we can do for those employees that are already in the industry, and how we can upskill, how we can really empower them, and really capitalize on that young talent that we already have in the industry.